The value of time. Everyone thinks they have time. Time to start, time to change, time to chase what matters. But this documentary is about one truth we all learn too late. Time doesn't wait, and it never comes back. What we don't see every day, millions of people wake up, look at the clock, and think there's still time. People are rushing, but not because of time, because of things they are believe more important than time. We don't see the time, so we don't take it serious. There's an idiom which says you must believe it to receive it. Time is not our enemy. Time is not our friend. Time simply passes. It doesn't wait for us to feel ready. The value of time is usually understood only when there is very little left. Either you use your time, or one day time will use you. Time in human life, time in our life is like a river. It comes quietly, it keeps moving, and it never comes back. When we are children, we don't really feel time. When we are young, we run after it. And when we get older, we finally understand how valuable it is. Time gives us chances, chance to grow, to try, to make mistakes and learn more and more. But if we don't use time wisely, it just passes by us. One day, a person asked me why the time is important. I said, because 1 minute can change a whole life, sometimes in some places. No money can bring it back last time. The life we live is the result of how we used our time. Read it many times with yourself to achieve the meaning of that. The life we live is the result of how we used our time. Time in nature. Trees don't rush, but they still grow. Seasons come and go again and again. Rivers slowly change soon just by moving our time. In nature, time is not an enemy. It is calm. It brings balance and growth. What we humans damage in a few years, nature fixes in many years. The message of time. Time is not something that just passes. Time is what shapes us. Time is what shapes us. When we live in harmony with, we feel more calm. We make better choices, and our life becomes more meaningful. At the end of this video, I wish you all the best. If you enjoyed it, subscribe me for more videos, like my video, and write your idea in comment. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.